this is Smita and the headlines are: Organization of two-day football tournament under the auspice of Netaji Subhas Club. A person named Rathu Bauri died in the attack. Bardhaman Sanmark cheat fund case, lookout notice issued against absconding chairman. This news is sponsored by TVS PSG. Asansol CGM court issued lookout notice against fugitive Soumya Bhaumik, chairman of cheat fund company Bardhaman Sanmark. There are allegations against this cheat fund company of cheating the common people by withdrawing money from the market. The CBI was tasked with investigating the case. Soumya Bhaumik has been absconding since the beginning of the investigation of that case. As one of the accused in this case, Raju Sahani, the chairman of Halisar municipality, who was arrested by the CBI last September, is currently in Asansol jail. Raju Sahani's bail hearing was held on Saturday in Asansol District Court in the court of CGM Tarun Kanti Mandal. Lawyer applied for his bail on any condition. The CBI counsel opposed him. In the end, the judge refused his bail and ordered him to undergo 14 days in jail again. The CGM will be heard again on October 29. Incidentally, the former chairman of Bardhaman Municipality and Municipal Administrator Pranav Chattopadhyay was arrested by the CBI in this case. He got bail from the High Court last August. CBI has submitted 2 charges in the court in this case.
Step in rainbow dresses for all types of kids wear. Bastin Bazaar Mode, GT Road, Asansol.
Rainbow Big Shop. All varieties of ladies wear, men's wear, and suit pieces are also available. Bastin Bazaar, GT Road, Asansol. Contact number 0341 222 1590. Rainbow Big Shop.
Chittaranjan's 5 mountaineers succeeded in Himalayas remote trail pass expedition. This news is sponsored by Hillview Hospital, Asansol. Since 80-30, 94 teams have gone to the difficult Himalayan trail pass or trail pass expedition in almost 200 years. But only 22 teams have succeeded in the expedition. Among them, the Emini trekkers led by 5 mountaineers from the railway city of Chittaranjan recently achieved success in this expedition. The expedition team returned to Chittaranjan on Friday after crossing his trail pass at a height of about 17,400 feet between Nanda Devi and Nanda Kot peaks of the Himalayas. They had left from here on September 20. They left for the expedition from Uttarakhand on 26th September and on 4th October. The team successfully reached 70,400 feet, and on October 8th the successful explorers descended from there. The expedition team include team leader Ranjan Datta, Partha Ghosh, Vijay-Kant Pandey, Tapas Har and Prashant Mukherjee. It is noteworthy that this group of mountaineers found several dead mountaineers who were lost in the Himalayas a few days ago. It was on that basis that the dead body reached their home. In the 22 years from 2000 to 2022, 12 teams have succeeded in this operation, and in the last 200 years, 94 teams have gone, but only 22 teams have been successful in these campaigns so far.
Ladies wear के exclusive showroom.
Styles, a house of fancy ladies wear.
महिलाओं का पसंदीदा शोरूम.
Styles, a house of fancy ladies wear.
नए डिजाइन के कलेक्शन,
लेटेस्ट स्टाइलिश फैंसी ड्रेसेस,
वो भी बाजार से वाजिब दरों पर.
है एक्सक्लूसिव सूट पीस, लहंगा, ब्राइडल वेयर।
और रेडीमेड ड्रेसों का संभार,
सब एक से बढ़कर एक स्टाइल में।
तो फिर इस बार ईद में छा जाएं।
इसराइल्स के कलेक्शन अपनाएं।
इसराइल्स अ हाउस ऑफ फैंसी लीव्स वेयर।
बस्तिन बाजार रोड, आसनसोल।
Call 76029223.
According to editor Vikas Prasad from Santodia, a two-day football tournament was organized under the auspices of Netaji Subhas Club located in Ranipur camp of Nithuria block. It was inaugurated by Santi Bhushan Prasad Yadav, Vice President of Nithuria Panchayat Samiti. On the first day of the game, the team of Ahirwari Sabud Sangh Club and Deoli Riverside Club faced each other. Sabud Sangh Club team won 1-0 in this. According to information, 16 teams have participated in this two-day tournament. The competition will be of 15 minutes duration, which is determined by knockout method. On this occasion, Santi Bhushan Prasad Yadav encouraged all the players and said that there are many possibilities of football in this area. Even today, the name of famous football players of the area are taken up by the people. People have faith in him. If we cooperate, the state and the country can get good football players from the area. Former football player Gurpado Rai, Kajal Pau, Thandi of Congress, Vishwanath Bauri, Ashok Bauri, Sunil Maji, Mahendra Sav and others were present on the occasion.
Admissions open now at St. Christopher Mission School, run by Anglo-Indian Society affiliated to CBSE Delhi. Special features are low affordable fee structure, smart class, well-trained teachers, indoor-outdoor games, transport facility, co-curricular activities, classes from nursery to 12. It's time for your child to explore the creativity. Thank you.
Manjeet Kaur Foundation distributed 50 sarees among poor women in association with ADPC. This news is sponsored by India International School, Asansol. Before Diwali and Chhath Puja, Manjeet Kaur Foundation took a good step to help poor families. Around 50 sarees were distributed among poor women. ADPC helped the foundation in this regard. It was distributed near Kala More Traffic Office. Dignitaries present were Devraj Das, IPS of ADPC, OC of Asansol North Police Station. It is to be noted that women of poor families suffer mostly during the festivals, and hence this step of distribution sarees among women is highly appreciated.
Complete yourself with Salika,
Salika Collection,
wholesaler and retailer of salwar suit pieces, lehenga, garara.
contact Salika Collection in Bastin Bazar, Asansol 1.
Contact number 8509 608 588.
Crackers are banned on Kali Puja and Diwali. Crackers have been banned during Kali Puja and Diwali. Therefore, a search operation against crackers in Barabani Police Station, area of Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate, it has been done. On this day, a raid was conducted in the area adjacent to the railway gate of Barabani, and several thousand of rupees worth of crackers were seized. Besides, everyone has been made aware of the prohibition of crackers. The police of Barabani Police Station has informed that in the coming days, crackers will be continuously attacked, will be raided.
Rekha Matching. Please step in for all kinds of colorful matching poplin rubia, fancy dupattas, other fancy dress materials. TP Market, Asansol. For more information, please contact 96356400.
Passenger Amenities Committee on Railways visited Asansol Division. The Passenger Amenities Committee on Railways inspected Asansol Division from 12 October and concluded today 15 October. During last 3 days, PAC already inspected passenger amenities item at Jug City, Devghar, Baskinat, Badrinath Dham, Dumka, Durgapur, Andal, Raniganj, Asansol, Barakar, Ukra, Pandaveshwar and Kulti stations. The committee members inspected Dubrajpur and Suri station of Asansol Division of Eastern Railway today. The committee members comprising of Sri Abhijit Das and Sri Kailas Lakshman Verma inspected and reviewed various passenger amenities at Dubrajpur and Suri like availability of drinking water, toilets, PF shade, booking counters, seating arrangement, steel bench, pay and use toilet, foot over bridge, CCTV surveillance system, food stall at the station, waiting room, station circulating area, etc. provided at the stations. The PAC members have given some suggestions for improvement of passenger amenities. All the suggestions have been noted for compliance of the same. CBI has summoned Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodiya in the alleged Delhi Excise Policy 2021-22 scam probe. Manish Sisodiya, named as accused number 1 in the first information report filed on August 17 in the alleged irregularities, has been summoned for the first time in the probe. Reaching to the summons, Sisodiya in a tweet on Sunday said CBI raid was conducted at my house for 14 hours, nothing came out. Searched my bank locker, nothing came out in it. They did not find anything in my village. Now they have called me to CBI headquarters at 11 am tomorrow. I will go and give my full cooperation. Satyamev Jayate. Two businessmen, Vijay Nair and Abhishek Bonpali, have already been arrested by the central agency, while the enforcement directorate has arrested another businessman, Samir Mahendru, in this case.
बोल रही हूँ, मेरा नाम इशिता भट्टाचार्य है। ये शाइन एकेडमी हम लोगों ने 2017 में स्टार्ट किया है। ये एकेडमी है स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज के लिए। जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज करने के बाद बच्चे लोग अपने पैर पे खड़ा हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये सारे कोर्सेज जो हम लोग करवाते हैं वो सारे जॉब ओरिएंटेड कोर्सेज हैं। यहाँ पे हम लोग टैली, जीएसटी, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, एडवांस एक्सेल, हार्डवेयर नेटवर्किंग, मोबाइल रिपेयरिंग, ब्यूटिशियन, बेकिंग का कोर्सेज, पाइथन, C++, जावा, पर्सनालिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड स्पोकन इंग्लिश, ये सारे कोर्सेज हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे रन करवा रहे हैं। अगर कोई ये कोर्सेज सीखना चाहते हैं तो नीचे आप लोगों के साथ नंबर जा रहा है, आप लोग इसको कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ये सेंटर हम लोग का SB गवाई रोड में है।
This time the regional president of BJP left BJP and joined Trinamool. Devghar Regional Committee President Biju Bahadur left the BJP party, joined Trinamool Congress today at the end of a function of Trinamool Congress in Rupnaranpur. Biju Bahadur joined Trinamool Congress under the leadership of intact President of Salanpur Block and Devghar Regional Committee President Manoj Tiwari. On this day, Biju Bahadur was given the Trinamool party flag in the hand of Biju Bahadur. Trinamool Congress President Mohammad Arman welcomed him to the party. Arman Babu said Biju Bahadur joined Trinamool after seeing the development of Trinamool Congress, welcoming him to Trinamool family. In this context, Manoj Tiwari said that Biju Bahadur was in charge of BJP's Devghar area. Maybe he understood that to work for the people, Trinamool party is needed, not BJP party, because Trinamool Congress only does politics of development. So today, on the instructions of MLA Vidhan Upadhyay and youth leader Mukul Upadhyay, block president Mohammad Biju Bahadur joined the Trinamool family, holding Arman's hand. In this context, Biju Bahadur said that the only reason for coming to Trinamool Congress is development. The way they always work on the side of people is commendable, and BJP doesn't work what they say. They don't value an honest worker. I have been with BJP for many years but could not do anything for people. Trains of India inaugurated in Asansol today. Trains of India has been inaugurated in Asansol near Raha Lane today. It has been said that kurta, pajama, sherwani, suit, bandi, blazer, kids sherwani and other accessories are available here for all. It is the 20th shop in series. Its other shops are in Devghar, Dumka, Dhanbad, Hazaribagh, Giridih, Patna, Jamui, Motihari, Darbhanga, Ara and several other towns. Mohan Prasad and several other guests were present.
Like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 830.
According to Vikas Prasad from Purulia, a man named Rathu Bauri died after being attacked by a buffalo while watching a banned buffalo fight. The incident has spread sensation in the surrounding area. The deceased is said to be a resident of Nadia village of Para police station. According to the information, the buffalo battle ceremony was organized in Hatimara village of Thana area. Enthusiasts from different parts and gathered here to watch this fight. At that time, during a fast buffalo fight, a buffalo suddenly ran towards the crowd. A man named Rathu Bauri was seriously injured in that buffalo attack. Immediately after the incident, the people there hurriedly picked him up and took him to the local Kostur Block Primary Health Center, where the doctors declared him brought dead. After this incident, there was a sharp uproar. The police have started an investigation into the entire incident. The question arises that it is forbidden to organize the buffalo fight in the district. So how was the buffalo fight organized in that area of the Para police station without the knowledge of the police? Why did the police not take action? Road accident in Asansol, 1 dead. 1 person died and several others were injured in a road accident on GT Road in Ushagram under Asansol South Police Station. All have been taken to the district hospital. Eyewitness said that a 4-wheeler was coming on the GT Road and at the same time it went out of control and collided with the divider. The occupants of the vehicle were injured in the accident. One of the injured died. Thank you for watching our videos. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon for the further notification.